How to enable 2FA on Discord. Hi everyone, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to enable 2FA on Discord. So let's begin. So before we start, what is 2FA? 2FA, or also known as two-factor authentication, is another protection aside from your password or your passcode of your Discord account. So what this basically do is that whenever you sign in for the first time on a device such as your PC or your mobile device on Discord, Discord will send you a confirmatory email or a code on your phone number so that you need to approve it first, and then you may be able to proceed with your logging in. So if you are using the Discord on mobile, what I would suggest is that you need to download first the Google Authenticator app. So you need to go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and type in Google Authenticator. So this one with this logo. And then now you may go back to Discord, click on your profile found on the lower right corner, go to Account, and click on Enable Two-Factor Auth. Once you click that, it will require you to input your password. So input your password, click on OK, and then as you can see, download an Authenticator app. So click on Next, and then make sure to copy this code. I'll just copy it first, go to Authenticator, and then go Get Started. Click on Enter a setup key, paste the code right here, and make sure to put an account name. So for example, I'll type in Discord. Click on Add, and then you may be able to see the code right here. So you need to go back to Discord, click on Next, and type in the code that you can see on the Google Authenticator app. So as you can see, there is 6-digit code. You need to copy it and then paste it right here. So that's it. That's how you can enable 2FA on Discord. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.